Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change profile picture on Candy Crush Saga. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Candy Crush Saga application to get started. After you're logged into your Candy Crush account, from the main home page, click on this gear icon at the bottom left. Now, click on My Account. You'll be able to see your profile picture displayed on the screen. To change it to something else, click on the camera icon. This will take you to king.com on a web browser. Click on the Add Picture button and select one of the pictures you'd like to use as a profile picture from your library. Once you find the picture, give it a click and click on Open, and you'll be able to adjust the picture in the profile picture preview area. After selecting your picture and adjusting it according to your preference, click on Save Picture in order to change your profile picture for Candy Crush Saga. Now you can go back to the game and your profile picture will be changed. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.